Hello and welcome to this DeciCity seller guide on exporting your orders to Zenstores. From the seller dashboard, click on the Orders button. Then click on the orders you want to export, then click on the Export Selected Orders to Zenstores button, which will download a CSV file. On the Zenstores page, click on the Import button and upload the CSV file you just downloaded. For your first order import, you'll have to build a field map. Simply match the fields on the right from the left. Once you've matched all the fields, click on the Process CSV button, enter a name for your field map and click Process. You'll have to wait a few seconds for the file to process. Refresh the page till the status goes from processing to completed. Once completed, click on the cloud with AZ in it on the top left of the page to go back to the orders page. On the orders page, you can manage your order or click on the Create Shipment button to get your preferred courier's shipping labels. Thank you for watching this tutorial and being a part of the DeciCity community.